Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Hi, what's up? You're still watching Boa TV, and guess who is here in the building? It is Ronke Oshodi herself. Hi, man. How are you doing?
I'm very fine.
You look good. You look gorgeous.
Really?
Yes, I love the outfit, honestly.
Thank you very much.
So let me ask you, how many hours did it take you to put this on, both the makeup and the outfit?
Let me say 1.5 hours.
1.5 hours. Man, I've been asking people, some said 5 hours. How come yours is short?
Well, me, I'm a carefree person. I just do it the way it comes.
Anyhow. Okay. All right. So, yeah, we are celebrating Ankara Day today, right? So what is the importance of this Ankara Day? Like, kini pataki Ankara Day?
Yeah, the importance of Ankara Day is like bringing everybody together. That's how I see it. It's like bringing everybody together. Just come, have fun, enjoy. And I think, I might be wrong, she has an NGO. So she's trying to do that and promote her NGO just to give awareness to let people know bye and go
All right. Talking about which is Liz da Silva, right? If I'm correct. Just tell us something about what you know about Liz da Silva. Anything at all?
She's very, very simple. She's very, very simple. Simplicity. She do her thing in her own way. Very simple. She go her own way. She doesn't beep. She doesn't look at you. If you are good, fine. If you are not, fine. She's just on her lane. You understand? Lane, and very simple and very respectful.
So what's the connection between both of you?
Yeah, we are friends. We are friends in the industry. We are friends, casual friends.
All right. So your fans want to know, how many years have you been in the industry?
Wow.
I know Sigbagbe.
By next year, I will be 21 years.
Are you serious? 21? That's huge.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. All right, looking at the movie industry, do you think it is where it's meant to be, or we still have a long way to go?
We still have a long way to go, but for now we're trying. Everything is getting better. We are getting there, but it's like if you want to climb maybe 10-story building and you are like 5, you are above fail. You are above average. So we still have a long way to go.
Okay. All right. So let me ask you this question: which one comes first, Christmas or New Year?
Christmas, of course.
Christmas comes first, right?
Yes.
All right, thank you very much. It's Ronke Oshodi in the building.
Hello, people. My name is Ronke Oshodi. Okay. If Ronke Oshodi is my name, popularly known as Ronke Oshodi. Okay. Subscribe to Boa TV. Boa TV. Okay. You will enjoy it. Eh? Emma Pao. Emma Pano. Go ye. Come on.
And how to subscribe? There's a circle here written Boa TV. Click on it. You see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all.